Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Enable your phone's hotspot and memorize the SSID and password so you don't stall. On the TV, open Settings then Network, choose Wireless. Once done, make sure the TV is scanning for networks while your phone's hotspot remains active and screen awake. You're doing this now to avoid timeouts, so keep the hotspot visible. If your phone offers a 4 GHz versus 5 GHz option, pick 4 GHz for broader compatibility with older Samsung models. You'll now complete the middle steps. In Network, open Network Settings, choose Wireless, and select your phone's SSID from the list. Type the hotspot password carefully. Using the remote's on-screen keyboard can be slow, so take your time. Once you hit Connect, the TV requests an IP via DHCP. This is automatic and why you left the hotspot on. If the TV shows connecting but fails, toggle the phone hotspot off and on. Then retry immediately to refresh the handshake between devices. You're at the finish line. Verify internet status on the TV and run the connection test. If it's green, open your streaming app and start content. Make sure the phone's battery saver is off so hotspot won't sleep. If content buffers or the TV loses connection, forget the network on the TV and reconnect, or reboot your phone to reset the mobile carrier link. One key troubleshooting tip: if the TV won't obtain an IP, switch the hotspot's band or temporarily disable mobile data. Tethering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.